Alright, I don't really know how my channel's gonna go, but my first video is gonna be an unboxing. Well, in this case, it would be an unbagging. I got my knife. I'm gonna just... Ooh, I'll use that much, I guess. I ordered multiple things, so I don't really know what's in this one. But this is one of the packages I got. Alright, I'll set this aside. Alright, so yeah, that's what this is. This is my cone roller. Yeah, that is all that's in the bag. Okay. Uh-oh, I thought I just broke it. Alright, good, I didn't. Alright, so. Alright, you wrap your paper around here. It makes a cone. And then you take it out. And then fill this. And then you fill it. And put it up, put it down in the cone. And then, yeah, pretty much you make a cone with it. That's it. Alright, I'll be showing a review of this later, but right now this is just the unboxing. That's the Cone Artist. I don't know if you can see that. Cone Artist. Yeah, bought it on Amazon. I think it was like $3 or $4. But I'll be showing a review in the meantime. Alright, thanks. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.